another piece of equipment before I venture out again into the sea is the binocular. It's very useful, especially for identifying suitable landing spots. Landing or loading or unloading with my weight is always a problem. You have to find the right spot. The kayak should be brought in sideways and held tightly against the bank before you could unload your 120 and 10 kilograms. Okay, I think what I'll do now is, since we've landed here, is to venture inland and try to make contact with the local population. I was told there's a wild tribe here called the ocho, and this is some of their vegetation or agricultural work. The Uchuakas are peaceful. They are not an aggressive tribal people. All these rumors about their cannibalism is, and as I'm told, overrated.